A very good morning, dear students. Welcome to our maths class. We have started our revision of chapter number 2, exercise 2D, 2E and 2F. I have shared you a worksheet in the previous class, revision worksheet 2nd. Today I will be discussing the answers of revision worksheet 2nd. So the first question was standard form of 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 1. You have to write the standard form of this. So how you will be writing? Answer. First you will be writing this number, that is 3. Then this 4, comma, again 4, 3, 1. So the standard form of this is 34,431. The next you have to write the standard form of 50,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. You have to write the standard form of this. So what you will be doing? At first you will be writing this number 5 as it is. Then see, next 0 is there. 0 means no number is there. So you will be putting a 0. Next again 0 is there. No number. So 0. Again 0. And at the last 2 is there. Now we will be putting the comma. 1, 2, 3 here. So this number is 50,002. The next is expanded form of, you have to write the expanded form of this number. What is this number? 3,40,425. You have to write the expanded form of this number. So how you will be writing? Your answer will be first 3 is there, 3 lakh. So how many zeros are there in lakh? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, see the next number, it is 4. After 4, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. So I will be writing 40. Plus, next number, it is 4. We have done 3, then we have done 4, the next number it is 0, so we will be writing only the 0 and leaving it as it is. The next is 4, so I will be writing 4. After 4, how many digits? 2, so 20 plus, next is 2. After 2, how many digits? Only 1 is there, so 10 plus 5. So this is the expanded form of this number. The next is greatest number. Here I have written the number. From this number you have to find the greatest number. So how you will be finding the greatest number? First count the number of digits. This is 7,632. How many digits are there? 4 digits. This number 6,732. How many digits are there? 4. Now come to the next digit. It is 76,320. How many digits are there in this number? 5. The next number 76,032. How many digits are there in this number? 5 digits. So these two are the 4-digit number and this is the 5-digit number. So 5-digit number, it is greater than the 4-digit number. Now see at this 2 number. This 2 number, they are 5 digits. Now which number it is greatest? See from here, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000. At the 10,000 place here is 7. Here also 7 is there. At the 1000 place 6 is there. Here also 6 is there. At the hundreds place here is 3 and here 0 is there. So 3 is greater than 0. Yes. So this number, it is the greatest number. Your answer will be 76,320. The next question was ascending order. What is ascending order? In ascending order, first we write the smallest number and at the end we write the largest number. S is for the smallest and L is for the largest or the greatest number. So this is the ascending order. See, this number, it is the smallest, 2500, and this number, it is the greatest number, that is 75,000. So this number, they are arranged in the ascending order. Next question, successor of number 28,171. You have to tell the successor of this number. Successor means you have to add 1 to this number. If you add 1 to this number it becomes 28,172. The next is predecessor. You have to find the predecessor of this number. So predecessor, it means you have to subtract 1 from the given number. So what will be the predecessor of this number? It will be the 15,999. So keep in mind, student, successor means you have to add 1 and predecessor, it means you have to subtract 1 from the given number. Now this is written in the Roman numeral. You have to tell me this number. This X, it means 10. This V, it means 5 plus this is 1. So 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 16. This number, it is 16. The next question, it is round off nearest 1000. How do we round off to the nearest 1000? I have written there a number, that is the 6,363. You have to round off that number to the nearest 1000. What you have to do? You have to round off the number to the nearest 1000. Nearest 1000, you have to round off the number, that is 6,363. This is the number. You have to round off it to the nearest 1000. So what you will be doing, if it is given that if you have to round off the number to the nearest 1000, you have to see the digit at the hundreds place. 3 is there at the hundreds place. This is ones, tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. So the digit 3 is there at the hundreds place. So if the digit at the hundreds place, if it is 4 or less than 4, then the digit at the ones, tens and the hundreds place, it will become 0. So if you round off this number, you will be getting 6,000. If you round off the number to the nearest 1000, you will be getting it as the 6,000. In this way, we used to do the round off. So students, that's all for today's class. We have revised chapter number 2. I have given you 2 worksheets, revision 1 and revision 2. Now in the next class, that is on Wednesday, I will be taking your class test from worksheet 1 and 2 in Google form. So you will be having a practice how to do the test in the Google form. So prepare for the test. Today you have to do only the revision. You have to practice the questions from exercise 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D, 2E and 2F. You have to practice the complete chapter number 2 and I will be taking your revision test in Google form in the next class. You have to, don't be panic about the Google form. You will be telling how to use it. I will be sending you a link. You have to click it on the link and the paper will get open and you can start doing it. It is just simply a class test. Don't panic, students. Do it very calmly with a cool mind and you will able to do it. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all.